when I want to talk. There's not much wind. Yeah, today I look really office-ish.
Come on down to the dawn of the world. Let's take that path through the atmosphere and give 4,000 answers to all of your questions, and maybe it will all become clear.
I think like this with my jacket and where it's all not button, and then I have my papers with me. And I forgot what I wanted to say. Yeah, as I was saying, I got my papers with me for, well, not for my work, because I have quite a few ideas for some of my YouTube skits I want to make, so I'm gonna write them down and make sort of, yeah, write them down exactly and see, and hopefully they'll work out, and we'll have some funny skits for my personal name of the channel. Oh fuck, wind. Shouldn't curse. Wind. But yeah. Personally find some of those ideas quite fun. One, fun to make, and two, well, quite fun. But you know, I won't spoil anything for now on, because that's not fun. But I also won't give a time frame when they'll be on. It probably takes me about a year, maybe 2 years. At least that's how I know myself. They're like, oh, I got this idea, I want to do this. And then I do nothing with it. But that's why I'm gonna write it down now, while I'm in the bus to work. Yeah. So now off to work.
Oh, excuse me. Just oh, hello. Good morning. Oh, good. It's just before 12. Oh, Snookum. I have no idea where that came from, by the way. Snookum. Yeah. Anyway, it's having a drink of juice and had some toast. I've got my a fleece that my gran sent me last year because I'm a bit cold for some reason. It was sunny, it's still bright outside, there's just more clouds than there was earlier, but yeah. It's oh no. Ooh, excuse me again. I'm not mentally tired, so I don't get why I'm yawning. It's your fault. It's a reflex action. I see someone or something yawning and it's like, ugh, reflex, yawn. What the hell are you doing? You quite finished over there, hmm? You're like kicking yourself in the head. Noah, come here. Sit. Sit. Oh, fall over, that's fair enough. Hey, Jude. Hmm? Yeah. Ah, lost. Yeah. Fair enough. Yeah, it's oh dear. Just gonna just have more drink, I guess.
Rain, rain, wind. Oh, a lot of wind. Now you can't properly hear me in the camera, Linda. Wind.
It might be a good idea.
Good idea for a bubble. Rain, rain, go away. We don't want to waste another awesome day. Dummy bummy, dummy bummy. Dummy bummy, dummy bummy, dummy bummy, dummy bummy. Hello Noah, are you a dummy bummy?
Dummy bummy, or did you say
Dummy bummy.
Oh, dummy bummy.
Dummy bummy. Are you a dummy bummy? He's scary. Don't. He's in the court. Noah, come for it. Af. Dat is braaf. Nee, nou, sit. Dat is braaf. Oeh. I think the camera was too close. Whoa. He's a sweet dog. Are you a sweet dog? Will you see his tail? See his tummy bummy. Ooh. And now the weather is all sort of fine again. It's strange weather. It's warm and it's getting wet, but it's not wet. It's odd. Right, friend? Thunder and lightning? No.
As long as it doesn't do that, it can do what it likes.
Not rain. I don't like rain. Do you like rain, Noah?
I think it only rains for like 30 seconds or...
You're locked in. Sorry.
Yeah, you're locked in.
Come on down to the dawn of the world. Let's take that path through the atmosphere and give 4,000 answers to all of your questions, and maybe it will all become clear.